Hello everyone, I am Ashwin Disle, student of the Brissung Institute, batch 22. Today I will discuss on a technical topic that is sources of adverse event reporting. Adverse event reporting is a crucial aspect of medical safety and public health, providing a systematic way to capture and access unintended effects related to the use of medication, vaccine, medical devices, or other health interventions. These reports come from a variety of sources, each playing a critical role in identifying, understanding, and mitigating risk. Below the primary source of adverse event reports and the mechanisms through which they operate. First is healthcare provider. One of the most reliable source of the adverse event reports come from the healthcare providers, including physician, nurses, and pharmacists. These professionals are on the front line of patient care, often the first to notice when treatment leads to unexpected or undesirable effects. In many countries, healthcare providers are encouraged or in some cases required by regulatory agency to report adverse event they observe in patients. For instance, the US Food and Drug Administration encourage healthcare professionals to report adverse event through its MEDOC program. Similarly, in Europe, the European Medicine Agency operates a system known as Vigilance, which collects such reports. The information provided by healthcare professional is critical because it often includes detailed clinical observations and assessments that can help in understanding the underlying mechanism of the adverse event. Second is patient and consumer. In recent year, there has been a growing recognition of the value of direct patient reports of adverse event. Patient often experience adverse event firsthand and may provide details about symptoms, severity, and impacts that healthcare professionals might overlook. Direct patient reporting is essential for understanding the broader implication of adverse event, particularly in terms of quality of life. Patient can report adverse event through a variety of platforms. For instance, in the US, the FDA MEDOJ program allow consumer to directly report any adverse reaction they experience. In the UK, the yellow card scheme enables patient to report adverse event related to medication and vaccines. Such a direct report can sometimes several patient content concerns such as long-term effect or issue related to drug tolerance that might otherwise go unnoticed in clinical settings. Pharmaceutical and medical device manufacturer. Manufacturer of drugs, vaccines, and medical devices are legally obligated to collect and report adverse event associated with their product. These companies often maintain a robust pharmacovigilance system to monitor the safety of their product after they have been approved for market use. Manufacturers are required to report adverse event to regulatory agency such as the FDA or EMA. Next is clinical trial and research study. Adverse event report from clinical trials provide early signals about potential risk associated with medical interventions during the drug or device development process. Clinical trials are designed to monitor safety closely, and any adverse event that occur during these trials are reported to regulatory bodies. A regulatory agency like the FDA and EMA review this report as a part of approval process. Even after product is approved, post-approval studies continue to collect data on adverse event, ensuring long-term safety monitoring. Regulatory agency. Regulatory body play a central role in collecting, analyzing, and disseminating adverse event report. Agency like the FDA, USA, CDSCO, EMA in the Europe, and MHRA in the UK maintain adverse event databases that are accessible to healthcare providers, researchers, and the public. Uh, Adverse event reports are essential for ensuring the safety and efficacy of medical treatment. Healthcare providers, patients, manufacturers, and regulatory agencies all contribute to these reports, each offering a unique perspective that helps in understanding the full scope of risk. Collaboration between these sources encourage that adverse events are identified, assessed, and mitigated to protect the health. This is all about the sources of adverse drug reaction. Thank you.